Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up Webull Screener for day trading. By the end, you'll have a clear, repeatable setup to surface liquid, tradable symbols that fit day trading criteria. First, open the Webull desktop platform. Give it a moment to load your workspaces so everything is synced. Having the desktop version open ensures you get the full Screener toolset and real-time updates while you work. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Screener. This takes you to the dedicated scanning workspace, where results populate in a table and filters live in a panel, so you can quickly refine what you see without bouncing between windows. Now click on Filter in the top left. This opens the criteria panel. Think of this as the control center for your scan. You can add, remove, and fine-tune conditions here. As you adjust a filter, the results table updates to reflect those changes, so you can immediately see the impact. Click on Last Price. This is where you define the price range for the stocks you want to trade. Many day traders focus on a band that's active yet manageable, something like mid to lower price names that move but aren't ultra illiquid penny stocks. Set a minimum to avoid sub-dollar names if you prefer, and a maximum that aligns with your account size and comfort with volatility. The goal is to concentrate on symbols that can make meaningful intraday moves without extreme slippage. Click on Volume. Liquidity is crucial for entering and exiting trades efficiently. Add a minimum volume threshold so your scan returns actively traded stocks. A higher minimum, such as several 100,000 shares or more, helps you avoid thin names and widens your pool to tickers with tighter spreads and more dependable fills. As you tweak this setting, watch the results count to make sure you're not filtering so tightly that you end up with too few candidates. Click on Exchange. Here, you can narrow your universe to major exchanges. Limiting results to primary U.S. exchanges can reduce noise and help you avoid low-quality or over-the-counter listings. This simple filter goes a long way toward improving overall scan quality. Finally, click on Change. This highlights momentum by targeting stocks that are moving. You can specify a positive or negative change and set a range that captures meaningful intraday action without only surfacing extreme outliers. Positive change is useful when you're looking for potential long setups. Negative change can surface potential short ideas or bounce opportunities. That's it. With these filters, Last Price, Volume, Exchange, and Change, you've built a focused day trading screener in Webull. Review the results, refine ranges as needed, and you'll have a dynamic list ready for your trading routine.